Okay.
Alright. So you noticed something was off with the label, you said?
It has returned because it wasn't picked up. So
Okay.
somebody ordered it, but it came back.
Someone ordered it, they didn't pick up, and yet they repackaged it. So let's see what's in here. Yeah, it's just sitting in there. It's not even, doesn't even have its full packaging. There's the saw. It's actually heftier than I expected it to be. There's the blade. I guess maybe that's the saw, and this is the apparatus which operates it. So learning as I go. Spare chain, it's nice. And ooh, cleaner brush. That's nice.
That was added for free.
Worth it. And European instruction manual that has 18 languages in it, and the English instructions, or the actual instructions, are about really that thick. Cool. Nice. Oh, nice. We have a Makita poster for our tool shed. Oh, that's cool. It's got a, totally worth the price of the chainsaw, just to have this on the wall.
Ooh, 360 plus tools.
We're in trouble now.
Well, here is the empty door for a poster.
Yeah. Well, that's it.
Cool.
Cool.